mycelium is two types. One is aerial mycelium, another one is vegetative mycelium. Aerial mycelium, when we grow the fungus, in aerial mycelium it projects above the surface, whereas in vegetative mycelium it remains in the surface. Example of mold are Aspergillus, Penicillium, Rhizopus. Now the fourth classification of morphological classification is dimorphic fungus. Dimorphic fungus. It is known as dimorphic because it has two forms. One is yeast, another one is mold. Yeast form grows at 37 degrees centigrade and it is found in the host cell and in the culture medium. It grows at 37 degrees centigrade and it is found in the host cell and in the culture medium. This is the yeast form. Second one is mold form. Mold form grows at 22 से 25 degree centigrade. It is in the soil or in the culture medium. So example of dimorphic fungi are Blastomyces dermatidis, Sporothrix schenki, Histoplasma capsulatum, Coccidioides immitis, Paracoccidioides immitis. So these are the examples of dimorphic fungi. So now we are able to classify fungi in two forms: taxonomical classification and morphological classification. Taxonomical classification, it is of four types: Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes, also known as fungi imperfecti. Whereas morphological classification, it has four types. One is yeast, second is yeast-like, third is mold, and the last one, fourth one, is dimorphic fungi. Now, what are the benefits of fungi and beneficial effect, or you can say harmful effect of fungi? So, what are the beneficial effect? Number one, decomposition. It helps in decomposition to obtain carbon and another source. Number two, fermentation. Fermentation is a very important character of fungus. So various industries apply this property of fungus and production of various types of materials like alcohol, production of acids, etc. Number three, many fungi are edible, like mushrooms. It also provides flavor in cheese. used as a model organisms in biotechnical studies and genetic studies, as for example Neospora, as for example Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which are used in DNA, recombinant DNA technology. Example is production of hepatitis B vaccines. So model organism for biochemical for genetical studies, for genetic few fungi have very important role in medical, as for example Claviceps purpuri. Claviceps purpuri. It has property of alkaloids, which are used for inducing uterine contraction, number 1, number 2 for controlling bleeding, and number 3 it is used in the treatment of migraines. So there are various beneficial effects of fungi. Now what are the harmful effects of fungi? Harmful effect. Number 1, decaying. They can decay the food, clothes, papers, etc. They can decay the foods, clothes, papers, etc. Few fungi are poisonous in nature. In mushroom, sometimes it becomes poisonous, causing few fungi causing mycotoxicosis, produces toxins causing mycotoxicosis, mycetism, etc. So there are beneficial as well as harmful effects of fungi. So after discussing these points, we will be able to explain different characters of fungi, structure of fungi, what are the beneficial as well as harmful effect of fungi, and what are the introductory or historical part of the fungi in brief. So thank you very much. We will discuss in next class further.